Okay, so in our previous video, we talked about bookkeeping and why it is important. Here, we'll focus on financial accounting, the set of financial reports that a company prepares for people that are outside the organization. Such reports enable outsiders to gain an understanding of the company's business, about how many sales the company made this year, about how many sales the company had last year, and they also show how profitable the company's business was and what kind of costs it sustained. In addition to that, financial accounting reports show what a company owns and what it owes. They show how much cash was available in the company's bank accounts at the time of preparation of the report, and so on. We can conclude that financial accounting allows people who are outside an organization to make a reasonable judgment about its business. And why is this important? Why should a company go through all the trouble in order to prepare such reports? Think about the opposite situation. What if the company did not provide financial information? What would have been different in that case? Is there a bank that would be willing to lend money without knowing how you are going to repay the loan? Is there an investor who would be willing to put up their money without knowing anything about the financials of the company's business? The answer is no. And that's why companies prepare their financial reports. It enables them to communicate their financial performance to those who are interested. Think about General Electric. It's a huge company, right? In 2014, their revenues were north of $148 billion. And being a public company, they have thousands of investors who are located not only in the United States, but all over the world. Their investors are in France, Germany, UK, Japan, everywhere. And how is it that they monitor the company's business and decide whether they would like to hold their shares or sell? They use the company's financial reports. They analyze the company's financial statements and all of the details that are necessary in order to understand the company's business. I'm sure that you understand just how crucial a role financial accounting plays in today's financial system. Without financial reporting as we know it, most businesses would have been denied the capital that they need.